If you have always wanted a high power blender, this is the time to do it. My name is Thelindabradley and I'm with Princess House, and this is our #1 selling item, and it has been since it was first introduced 5.5 years ago. It's made by a very popular blender company. You all know the name, and it is an amazing addition to your kitchen. So it has 3 different speeds on here. You can use whatever speed you want, but then you also have these pre-programmed buttons. One is for dips and spreads. I've made homemade pesto, homemade salsa, all kinds of dips. There's one for smoothies. So that's what everybody uses it for. You can put your fruits right in here, your frozen fruits, make your smoothies. But my favorite one is there's a soup blend that will go for 7 minutes and it will make hot soup. I've made butternut squash soup, a cauliflower soup, tomato soup, red pepper soup, and recently Mexican hot chocolate. Amazing. So it's 68 ounces. It's bigger than most, so it gives you lots more room. This is made of plastic so that it's lighter because the glass ones are way heavy. And you'll love this item. It also comes with a tamper. And so sometimes when you're making things that are very thick, like I've made homemade nut butters, sometimes you have to like push it around. And so that allows you to do it. So this is in the book for over $600. One of the things that I like to do is to bring value to my customers. And so I use customer and hostess specials to reduce the price. And right now I have this blender available for 3 clients, and the total price, including shipping and tax, is just $383. Now listen, you can make payments. You can make 8 payments of $48 each, and that's it. I ship it anywhere in the United States, and it ships once it's paid in full. So you can reach out to me directly. My name is Linda. My phone number is 856-404-7420. You can call or text me and get the items that you've always wanted at a price that you can live with.